Watch me make $1,000 in a matter of minutes using my same approach. Again, that's looking for tickers that have recently fired. I'm looking for stacked EMAs on 5 time frames, and I'm looking for aligned histograms on 5 time frames. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description for the scans I used in the video, my social media handle, as well as a link to my Discord server. I ran my scans on the daily time frame, and MPC fired long on the daily. Also fired long for 3 bars on the 1 hour. The histograms are all cyan, so they're bullish, and the EMAs are all stacked positive, so MPC meets my criteria for a trade. Since MPC meets all my criteria for a trade, I'm going to look for calls. I always trade the following week, and I always trade in the money or at the money. I'm interested in the 104 calls for MPC. I'm going to place an order for 25 contracts, and I am filled. I immediately go negative, so I'm going to wait to see how this plays out. While I'm waiting for MPC, I'm going to continue to run my scans to look for another trade. And on the 4-hour time frame, I see VRTX and REGN. VRTX is the only one that meets all criteria, but I know VRTX, I have traded it in the past and it moves really weird, so I'm not interested in taking a trade on it. I run my scans on the 2-hour time frame, and I see that First Solar meets all criteria for a call. It fired long on the 2-hour. Histograms are aligned. EMAs are all stacked. So I'm looking for in the money calls for First Solar, the 141 call, and I place my order and I am filled and immediately negative. So now I'm in 2 trades. I'm in First Solar, FSLR, and I'm in MPC. I'm waiting to see if both of these will go positive for me. Checking on my MPC trade, and it has just gone positive by a little bit. I'm going to hold on to it to see if I can get some more profits. Checking my First Solar trade, and I'm up over $300. So that's looking good right now. I'm going to hold on to it a bit more to see if I can squeeze some more gains out of it. I am up over $500 on MPC. I'm going to create a closing order so I can take my profits. Setting a sell order at the mark price, which is $382. Jumped up to $385, setting my sell order for $385, confirm and send, and wait till I get filled. I am filled and all out of MPC at a $575 profit. I'm going to take a look at my First Solar trade where I'm up $625, setting my sell order for the mark price of $620, confirm and send, and I'm all out of First Solar at $625. Just a quick recap, I made a total of $575 on MPC and $625 on First Solar for a total of $1,200 in a matter of minutes. Check the description for a link to the scans that you saw me use today. I used these same scans for every single trade. And of course, I alerted these 2 trades in my Discord server and members were able to profit with me. If you're looking for an active community, definitely check out my Discord server. I'll put a link in the description as well. Thank you for trading with me today, and I'll see you next time.